Welcome to this Prenatal Express workout, a really quick one and a good one for overall body workout. Let's get started just with some hip circles, warming through the body first. And then circle back the other way. So we've got 9 exercises, each for 40 seconds, a small break in between each. Have a water bottle handy if you want one. And then let's just go down, big circles up and down, up and down. Last one. And just shake it out. All right, we are starting in 5 seconds just with a normal squat, down and up, 3, 2, 1. Down and up, 40 seconds. As you come up, engage through core. Breathe in lower, exhale. So pelvic floor and belly wrap. Take it at your pace. 15 seconds to go. We'll be moving into skater legs. 3, 2, 1. Skater legs is where we drop back into that squat and you just tap that right leg out and in. Tap and in. So let's go down, out and in. Now, this is the leg that is working. So if it becomes too much on this quad or on this glute, you stand back up and you come back up, and that is totally fine. If you want to stay for a couple down and then come back up, go for it. You've got 15 seconds left. Keep that weight into that heel of that foot. Less than 10. All right, we're here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release, shake it out. Next move is a squat. Then this leg can either tap or come all the way up. Let's go down, up. So remember, the tap option is there just to tap in, or breathe in, use that exhale, connect your core. 15 seconds to go. Doing good. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We have skater on the other side. Shake it out. Ready? Let's drop and tap and tap. Listen to your body. At any stage, you just come back up. Booty is back. Weight in the heel. 20 seconds to go, halfway. Keep that connection through your core, pelvic floor, and belly wrap. Shoulders relaxed. All right, we're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Step and tap. In 3, 2, 1. Down and tap. Remember your option. Just come into that foot. Slow the pace if you need. Let's breathe in. "15 seconds. After this, we're heading down to all 4 kneeling. Shake it out. Let's head down there now. Bird dog. Right arm, left leg. Let's go lengthen and in. Lengthen and in. Breathe in and out. Try your best to keep your shoulders back and down. 15 seconds to go. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rock those hips side to side. Other side. Left arm, right leg. Let's go. You are halfway, 20 seconds to go. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release, rock from side to side. Either stay on hands or drop to elbows. Got rainbows. So it's the right leg lengthens behind and you create arches. So lift the leg up and over to the other side, up and down. If you don't like being low on your elbows, hands is fine. Personal preference. All right, we have just 5 seconds left. And release. Rock those knees, rock those hips from side to side. We'll do the other side. If you were on elbows, come back up to your hands and go. So the reason to go to elbows is to give those wrists a little bit of a break, especially in pregnancy. That pressure at the wrist can sometimes be too much. So just notice it for yourself. Adjust if you need to. 15 seconds to go. And release. Rock those hips from side to side and then just move into some nice big hip circles. And then circle back the other way. And then find your stillness. Crawl those hands back towards you, come through to a seated position. Have your feet flat on the ground, hands back behind you. Lift your right leg up, cross it at the knee, and then lift and breathe. A seated figure 4 stretch on a chair on the edge of the couch is a good alternative to this at any stage in your pregnancy. Breathe here. And then swap to the other side. Slow down into that breath. Surrender into it. 2 more deep breaths. Last one. Release, come through to a comfortable seat. Roll your shoulders up. Back and down. Open your eyes if they were closed, and well done. That is your workout complete for today. If you like that, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe to the Preactive YouTube channel, and drop a comment below. I would love to hear how you went. For more just like this, head over to preactive.com.